Welcome back. In this video, we see the tech specs and features of Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7 laptop. Model number of the laptop is 21MWA0R4IN. Let us see the features of this laptop model. This laptop comes with AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU, 16-inch display screen, Full HD plus 1920 by 1200 resolution, IPS panel, low blue light certified, anti-glare display coating, 1080 pixel camera, Dolby audio, camera privacy shutter for privacy, 300 nits for brightness supported, military grade tested, Kensington security lock slot for physical security. CPU of the laptop is AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS. Base clock speed is 3.2 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.75 GHz with AMD Max Boost. CPU has 8 cores, 16 threads with 16 MB L3 cache. To process graphics, this laptop has AMD Integrated GPU engine called AMD Radeon 680M chipset, which has 12 dedicated cores to process graphics. As a standard configuration, this laptop model comes with 16GB DDR5 4800MHz memory module installed. Transfer rate supported is 4800 million transfer per second. Memory supports dual channel. There are 2 DDR4 SODIMM slots for expansion. Storage installed is 512GB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD drive. There are 2 M.2 2280 slots available for upgrade. For expansion, we can also use SD card reader slot. Display of the laptop is 16-inch display screen, Full HD plus 1920 by 1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, narrow bezel, IPS panel, anti-glare display coating, 90% screen to body ratio, 1000:1 contrast ratio, low blue light certified, 45% NTSC color gamut, 300 nits for brightness supported, 60 Hz of refresh rate. Camera of the laptop is Full HD 1080 pixel camera with fixed focus, dual array digital microphone, smart noise cancellation technology, manual camera privacy shutter for webcam privacy. For audio output, this laptop uses a Realtek chipset which has two 2-watt stereo speakers which support high definition audio with Dolby audio. For network communication, there is a Realtek wireless LAN card chipset which support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 version. We also get Gigabit Ethernet LAN port for wired connection. Let us see the ports available on this laptop model. On the left, there is one USB Type-C 10 to 10 Gbps speed port which support data transfer, power delivery, and display. One USB Gen 1 always on port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C USB 4 40 Gbps speed port, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. On the right, there is one Kensington Nano security lock slot for physical security, one Gigabit Ethernet LAN port for wired connection, one USB Gen 1 5 Gbps speed port, one SD card reader slot for storage expansion. For input and keyboard, this laptop comes with multi-touch touchpad, 6-row ergonomic spill-resistant keyboard, dedicated Copilot key, and dedicated numeric keypad, multimedia function keys, backlit with white LED lighting, fingerprint reader for Windows Hello support. Battery of the laptop is 45 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. With Lenovo Rapid Charge Pro, you can charge the laptop battery to 50% in 30 minutes, approximate 13 hours of battery life when the battery is fully charged. Power adapter is 65 watt USB Type-C 3-pin AC power adapter. Input voltage is 100 volt to 240 volt AC. Security features include firmware, trusted platform module, fingerprint reader, Kensington Nano security lock slot, camera privacy shutter, mic mute key. We can also configure administrator password, hard disk password, power on password inside the BIOS. This laptop model comes with Windows 11 Home Edition pre-installed and Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity. Body of the laptop is metal, aluminum and polycarbonate body. Weight of the laptop is 1.7 kilograms and 17.5 mm thin. This laptop is tested for US military standard 810H. Color of the laptop is Arctic grey color. Let us see the upgrade options available for this laptop model. Maximum memory supported is 64 GB. There are two SODIMM slots available. We can install 32 GB in each of the slot. For storage, there are two M.2 2280 slot. We can install 2 TB in each of the slot to make 4 TB max total. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year courier or carry-in service or 2 year courier or carry-in service. We can also register for Premium Care and Premium Care Plus or Total Protection when we purchase the laptop. In the box, we get Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7 laptop, 65W USB 3-pin AC power adapter, user manual. Offer included Microsoft Office Home 2024 with lifetime validity. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7 is a sleek business laptop that balances performance, portability, and modern design for professionals and students. This laptop delivers strong multitasking capabilities and efficient performance for demanding workloads. The 16-inch display offers sharp visuals with a 16:10 aspect ratio, making it ideal for productivity tasks such as spreadsheets, presentations, and creative work. Its aluminum top cover provides durability while maintaining a premium look, and at 1.7 kilograms, it remains lightweight enough for daily portability.